Here, hand it to him.
No, I'm gonna do like this.
Okay. Just careful, because you don't want to drop the ones in the middle. Sandaime. Anko. Oh, oh. They're slipping.
I know.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
Alright, and Hinata. Ooh, careful with the camera.
Hinata. Oh my god.
Okay, here. Okay, now grab that last one. Turn
This
it
is
on.
the last one we have.
From box 9.
This is the only one we have.
From box 9.
I already know that.
Oh, I'm just saying it for the video, baby. Here, hand them to me.
Ooh, we got an R. You got a sparkly. Oh my god.
Oh, there's 2 cards.
There's 2 cards.
Ibiki, you are?
Glittery one. This doesn't feel glittery, but it just looks glittery. Ooh.
And another Gara SR. Alright, now to showcase all the hits that we got from box 9.
Okay, all done.
Which are over here. These are the ones we got from box 9. Promo, 1010, Neji PU, and a
Daddy.
Shikamaru MR.
I can't see it.
I know, but I'm trying to showcase it in the video. It's a little hard from the angle that I'm at. Alright. There's box 9.